Hello everyone. In this video students, we will solve some questions from exercise 8.5. So let's start students. Question number 1. Given integral of 2x sine x square plus 1 dx. In this question students, 2x is the differentiation of x square plus 1. Okay, so we put x square plus 1 equal to t, differentiating both sides. 2x equal to dt upon dx. By cross multiplication, 2x dx equal to dt, that is equal to students 2x dx equal to dt and sine x square plus 1 equal to t. We know that students, integration of sine x equal to minus cos x or minus cos t plus integral constant c, or cos, here putting the value of t, x square plus 1 plus c. That is the answer of question number 1. Second question students, integration of 1 upon x square sine square 1 upon x dx. In this question students, आप ये देखो 1 upon x और 1 upon x स्क्वायर में कौन किसका डेरिवेटिव है. आप देखो 1 upon x का ये डेरिवेटिव है. ओके, क्योंकि जब ये 1 upon x कैन बी रिटन एज x टू द पावर -1, और जब डिफरेंशिएट करोगे तो ऑर्डर डिक्रीज होगा, तो -1 डिक्रीज करोगे तो -2 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो पुट 1 upon x इक्वल टू t. ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर इसको आप t सपोज करते हो तो इसका डेरिवेटिव ये नहीं आएगा और इसका डेरिवेटिव ये है. ठीक है, तो आपको यही पता करना होगा कि जब टू फंक्शंस का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो तो हमें ये देखना होगा कि कौन सा फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव है. ठीक है, तो डिफरेंशिएटिंग बोथ साइड, 1 upon x can be written as x to the power -1, applying here formula -1 x to the power -2 dx equal to dt, or dx upon x square equal to minus dt. Okay, putting here dx upon x square minus dt and sin square t. अब स्टूडेंट्स sin स्क्वायर t का जब इंटीग्रेशन करना होता है तो sin स्क्वायर t हो या cos स्क्वायर t हो तो हमेशा वहां cos 2 थीटा फार्मूला अप्लाई करके उसको cos 2x में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. वी नो दैट स्टूडेंट्स cos 2t इक्वल टू 1 minus 2 sin स्क्वायर t, और 2 sin square t equal to 1 minus cos 2t, that is equal to sin square t equal to 1 minus cos 2t upon 2, minus putting here sin square t equal to 1 minus cos 2t upon 2 dt, or -1 upon 2 integral of 1 minus cos 2t dt, -1 upon 2 integral of integration of 1 with respect to 2t t, minus integration of cos x sin x, the cos 2t equal to sin 2t, but coefficient of t equal to 2, तो therefore divided by 2. हम क्या करते हैं, अगर इसका कोफिशिएंट होता है तो उससे हम डिवाइड कर देते हैं. ओके, प्लस c, पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ t -1 upon 2 in bracket, t equal to 1 upon x minus sin 2 upon x upon 2 plus c, or -1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 4 sin 2 upon x plus c. Answer. Question number 3 integration of sin q in bracket 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, it can be written as students sin square 2x plus 1 into sin 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, sin square 2x plus 1 equal to 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1. Here apply formula sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta into sin 2x plus 1 dx. Put cos 2x plus 1 equal to t, क्योंकि देखो इसका ये डिफरेंशिएशन है, ठीक है, sin 2x plus 1. Differentiating above we get minus cos 2x plus 1, again differentiation of 2x plus 1 2 dt upon dx, that is equal to cos 2x plus 1 dx equal to minus 1 upon 2 dt. Okay, equal to 1 minus t square minus dt upon 2, minus 1 upon 2 out of integration in bracket 1 minus t square dt, or minus 1 upon 2 integration of 1 with respect to t and t square t cube by 3 plus c, minus 1 upon 2 in bracket putting value of t cos 2x plus 1, cos 2x plus 1 minus cos cube 2x plus 1 upon 3 plus c. That is a answer. Okay. Question number 4. Given integral of x upon root x plus 4 dx. In this question students, we will put x plus 4 equal to t square. देखो स्टूडेंट, जब भी रूट के अंदर का फंक्शन को हम सपोज करते हैं तो उसको, जैसे हम x प्लस 4 इक्वल टू टी को हम क्या करते हैं टी स्क्वायर, क्योंकि स्क्वायर रूट जब हम इसका लेंगे तो टी स्क्वायर से क्या हो जाएगा, टी बाहर हो जाएगा. तो रूट के अंदर के फंक्शन को जब भी आप सपोज करोगे तो उसको टी स्क्वायर करके सपोज करिएगा. ठीक है. Differentiating both side, differentiation of x1 here 2t dt upon dx, by cross multiplication dx equal to 2t dt, putting value here 2t dt, 1 minute, putting value here dx equal to 2t dt and root x plus 4 equal to t square and x equal to t square minus 4, t square minus 4. Okay, that is equal to students t square minus 4 into 2t square root of t square equal to t dt, t and t cancel, 2 out of integration in bracket t square minus 4 dt to integration of t square t cube by 3 minus 4 आउट करोगे तो 1 होगा, तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 क्या हो जाएगा, t प्लस c. हियर पुटिंग वैल्यू ऑफ t 2 in bracket 1 by 3 t equal to root x plus 4, to t equal to root x plus 4 whole to the power cube minus 4 root x plus 4 plus c. Question number 5 student, integration of x to the power half plus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power 3 by 4 dx. Here put student 1 plus x to the power 3 by 4 equal to t. Differentiating both sides, differentiation of 1 0 and differentiation of x to the power 3 by 4 3 by 4 x to the power 3 by 4 minus 1 equal to dt upon dx, or 3 by 4 x to the power minus 1 upon 4 dx equal to dt, or x to the power minus 1 upon 4 dx equal to 4 by 3 dt. Students, given integral can be written as x to the power 3 by 4 into x to the power minus 1 upon 4, because x to the power 3 by 4 into x to the power minus 1 upon 4 equal to x to the power 3 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 2 by 4, or 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. It means, students, x to the power half can be written as x to the power 3 by 4 into x to the power minus 1 upon 4. क्योंकि इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो तो क्या आएगा, x to the power LCM 4 3 minus 1 x to the power 2 by 4 equal to x to the power 1 by 2. So here x to the power 1 by 2 can be written as x to the power 3 by 4 into x to the power minus 1 by 4 upon 1 plus x to the power 3 by 4 dx equal to x to the power 3 by 4 equal to t minus 1, okay, and x to the power minus 1 upon 4 dx यानी ये equal to 4 by 3 dt upon t, okay, that is equal to 4 upon 3, इसे डिवाइड कर दो 1 minus 1 upon t dt, और 4 by 3 integration of 1 t and integration of 1 upon t log t, okay, plus c, putting the value of t 4 by 3 in bracket, t equal to 1 plus x to the power 3 by 4 minus log 1 plus x to the power 3 by 4 plus c, answer. Okay, question number 6, given integration of root 1 plus x square upon x to the power 4 dx. In this case, students, we will put x equal to tan theta. जब भी देखो 1 plus x स्क्वायर हो तो हम tan थीटा और cot थीटा पुट कर सकते हैं. तो डिफरेंशिएटिंग dx equal to sec square theta d theta. अब given integral can be written as in bracket 1 plus tan square theta upon tan to the power 4 theta, और dx equal to sec square theta d theta, or 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta out of root sec theta into sec square theta upon tan to the power 4 theta d theta, that is equal to sec cube theta, 1 upon tan theta equal to cot theta, so 1 upon tan 4 theta equal to cot 2 to the power 4 theta d theta, or sec to the power cube theta can be written as 1 upon cos cube theta, and cot to the power 4 theta can be written as cos to the power 4 theta upon sin to the power 4 theta d theta, that is equal to cos cube theta cancel, cos theta upon sin to the power 4 theta d theta. अब इसमें आप देखो sin का ये डेरिवेटिव, तो पुट अगेन sin theta equal to t, differentiating both side we get cos theta d theta equal to dt, here dt upon t to the power 4, okay, or t to the power minus 4 dt, integration of t to the power minus 4 equal to t to the power minus 4 plus 1 upon minus 4 plus 1 plus c, r minus 1 upon 3 t to the power minus 3 plus c, r minus 1 upon 3 t cube plus c, r minus 1 upon 3 and t equal to sin theta, sin cube theta plus c. Okay, here x equal to tan theta, x equal to tan theta, x upon 1. This is x square plus 1. Therefore, sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So minus 1 upon 3 sin theta x upon root x square plus 1 whole cube plus c. Okay, or minus root x square plus 1 upon x whole cube 1 upon 3 plus c. Answer. Right? Question number 7, students. Tan square theta, tan square x into sec to the power 4x dx, or tan square x into sec square x into sec square x dx. Sec to the power 4x can be written as sec square x into sec square x, or tan square x in bracket 1 plus tan square x into sec square x dx. देखो जब भी sec और tan का कॉम्बिनेशन हो स्टूडेंट्स, तो एक हम sec स्क्वायर x रखते हैं, बाकी सबको tan में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. पुट tan x equal to t, differentiating both side, sec square x dx equal to dt, putting the value here t square 1 plus t square dt, sec square x dx equal to dt, that is equal to students t square plus t to the power 4 dt. Integration of t square, t cube by 3 and t to the power 4, t to the power 5 upon 5 plus c, or 1 upon 3, putting the value of t tan x, tan cube x plus 1 upon 5 tan to the power 5x plus c. Answer. Okay. Question number 8, then sin x into cot cube x dx, or sin x cot x can be written as cos cube x upon sin cube x dx. 1 sin x cancel, that is equal to cos cube x upon sin square x, okay, dx, or cos square x into cos x upon sin square x dx. Cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x cos x upon sin square x dx. अब देखो sin x को t सपोज करो, उसका डेरिवेटिव है, तो पुट sin x equal to t, differentiation of sin x cos x dx equal to dt. Here putting the value 1 minus t square cos x dx dt upon t square, dividing 1 upon t square minus 1 dt. Okay, or t to the power minus 2 minus 1 dt. Integration of t to the power minus 2, t to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 minus integration of 1 with respect to t equal to t plus c, that is equal to students minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon t minus t plus c, putting the value of t equal to minus 1 upon sin x minus sin x plus c, because t equal to sin x, or minus cosec x minus sin x plus c. Answer. Right?